Hello friends, welcome to our channel. The topic of today's video is essay on deforestation in English. Let's start the essay with a slogan. Our slogan is Save our nation, stop deforestation. Deforestation is the cutting down of trees in the forest in a large number. Deforestation has always been a threat to our environment. Forests are of great importance for the management of natural balance. However, trees are regularly being cut down without seeing its dangerous effects on human society and the environment. In the next paragraph, we will write the reasons of deforestation. The main reason of deforestation happening around the world is to increase the land area. Due to rapidly increasing population, day by day shortage of land can be easily seen. To overcome this deficiency, forests are being cut. Industrialization is also a prominent reason of deforestation. Along with this, deforestation is also done for agricultural activities, urbanization, construction of infrastructure in the country, such as construction of roads and railway tracks, etc. However, the government is trying to solve this problem. Deforestation has very drastic effects on both humans and nature. Following are some major effects of deforestation. Here we will write some major effects of deforestation one by one. Point number 1. Soil erosion is the most prominent effect of deforestation. Trees keep soil tied to their roots. The cutting of trees leads to erosion of the top layer of soil. As a result, air and water drain the top layer of soil. Our second point is disasters like landslides also occur due to the cutting of trees. In addition, soil erosion is also responsible for various floods. Point number 3. Global warming is major among the effects from deforestation. The temperature is reaching its peak, due to which the glaciers of the Himalayan ranges are melting. Recently, floods caused by the glacier burst in the Chamoli district of Uttarakhand state caused great destruction. Point number 4. Trees release soil water into the environment through transpiration. In this way, the rate of water in the atmosphere is being reduced due to their cutting. Hence, clouds are not forming. As a result, the agricultural areas are not receiving proper rainfall. In addition, the proportion of water suitable for drinking is also decreasing. Point number 5. Deforestation is also affecting wildlife. The animals have lost their habitat. This is one of the major issues for wildlife conservationists. Deforestation can be averted by various countermeasures. First of all, we should afforestation, which is growing of trees in the forest. This would help to resolve the loss of the trees cut down. Moreover, the use of plant-based products should increase. This would force different industries to grow more trees. As a result, the environment will also get benefit from it. Furthermore, people should grow small plants in their houses. That will help the environment to regain its ability. Deforestation is the biggest damage to the environment. Deforestation is a threat to the environment as well as to biodiversity. It is necessary to save the forest at any cost. We should try to save the forest with honesty. At last, the government should take strict actions against people, especially those who are illegally cutting down trees. At last, we will write a slogan again. If we cut down trees, our children will have to pay the fees. So friends, like this, you can write this essay. Thanks for watching.